Hey there, taco lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine with a delicious taco recipe that's sure to brighten your day. If you're ready to impress your friends and family with a dish that's bursting with flavor, you're in the right place. Let's get started with our star ingredients: fresh lime, fragrant cilantro, tender carne, and juicy tomatoes. First, we'll prepare our protein. You can choose beef, chicken, or even a plant-based option, whatever suits your taste. Season your meat with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime juice to enhance those flavors. Cook it on medium heat until it's perfectly tender and juicy. While that's sizzling away, let's chop up some fresh tomatoes. Their sweetness will complement the savory meat beautifully. And don't forget the cilantro. This herb adds a refreshing touch that's essential for authentic tacos. Give it a rough chop and set it aside. Now it's time to assemble our tacos. Grab your favorite tortillas, corn or flour. It's your choice. Warm them up in a pan for a few seconds on each side to make them soft and pliable. Start by adding a generous scoop of your cooked protein, followed by the fresh tomatoes and a handful of cilantro. For an extra zing, drizzle some more lime juice on top. And there you have it. Simple, fresh, and utterly delicious tacos that are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a casual dinner or a festive gathering, these tacos are sure to be a hit. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty cooking tutorials. Happy cooking, and see you next time.